I thought Ebates encouraged people to shop more. You get online, you do some shopping, and Ebates supposedly gives you cash back for your purchases. I had seen the commercials. I had seen the Happy Moms online shopping. I had seen YouTubers profile this. Ask Sebi has talked about this. So I'm like, what gives? Is Ebates that really cool? So I had to check it out for myself, and in this video, I'm going to show you what it's all about. Hey guys, what's up? It's Justine with Debt-Free Millennials, the channel for all things millennial, money, and debt-free living. And as part of debt-free living, I love to save a quick buck. And I thought, okay, I'm giving, let me try Ebates and figure this out. What I found out is I did a lot of online shopping specifically for Christmas, baby showers, wedding gifts, birthday gifts, and I was doing all of that from my computer. And Ebates actually saved me some money. Here's how it works. All right, so the best way to use Ebates is to download the Google Chrome extension for it. And what it does is it applies a button to any website that you may go to, and it tells you whether or not you can get a cash back through Ebates. Now, this is the Ebates dashboard, and you can see that I have a cashback balance here for $14.15. Now, a lot of people are like, I've saved hundreds of dollars. Lifetime, I've only saved $27.06, but let's be honest. If you saw $27 on the ground, wouldn't you pick it up? Of course you would. So that's what I like about this. I have bought Groupon, Bye Bye Baby. I've done all these different things where I was already planning on making that purchase, and then I earned a little bit of cash back for that purchase, which I love. So you can go to, let's say, I really like going to gap.com, and the little button pops up at the top of the screen that says you can get 2% cash back. All you have to do is click, and then it says that's it. And then all you have to do is when you're shopping, you add it, purchase it, and then Ebates will apply the discount to your account, and then you get paid out 4 times a year. I find that Ebates is really simple to use. I don't have to do anything extra like submit receipts. It automatically applies it, especially that little handy button in Google Chrome. That's the only way I would be able to stay on top of using Ebates. If you would like to try Ebates, I am going to drop my affiliate link below so that you can test it out for yourself. And after you spend $25, which is easy to do in one transaction, right? You will get $10 applied towards your account. So really, you're spending $15 and you're still getting something cool. I think that's a really good deal. How do you guys feel about Ebates? Is this a good tool for you? Or do you find that it encourages you to spend more? I find that it encourages me to save more.